Mental clutter doesn't come from too much work, it comes from unfinished work. Hello and welcome to day 98 of your 100-day journey to enter 2026 as a new you. As we approach the final stretch of this journey, there is one powerful shift left to make: completion. Unfinished items quietly drain energy. They sit in the background of your mind. They pull attention without asking permission. You do not need a fresh start, you need a clean finish. And today is about closing loops. Not about doing everything, just deciding what deserves closure and what needs conscious scheduling. Completion creates calm, calm creates clarity, and clarity prepares you for a strong relaunch. So today's practice is: close the loop on unfinished items. Take a page and write the heading Open Loops. Now list everything that feels incomplete, big or small, personal or professional. This could include messages not replied to, tasks half done, decisions postponed, conversations avoided, files not organized, commitments left hanging, habits started but not finished. And now, next to each item, choose one action. The action could be close it today, or schedule it clearly, or consciously let go of it. You are not carrying everything forward. You are choosing what comes with you in 2026. Today, your reflection prompt is: what open loop can I close right now? Start with the one that brings the most relief. And in the comments, share one open loop you closed or scheduled today. Completion builds momentum. And for everyone in the 31-day sprint, remember this: finishing creates freedom. Every closed loop tightens and lightens your mental load. So I'll see you tomorrow for day 99. And until then, take care of yourself and keep the curiosity alive.